Ms. McCray, are you back?
Yes, Judge, I'm back.
Okay, I'm waiting on them to come back on.
Okay.
I closed out the breakout. Remember, Mr. Rogers and Mr. Shulman. Should be back when I do that. Okay. Mr. Rogers, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Mr. Shulman?
Yep,
All
I can hear
right.
you, Judge.
Okay, Ms. McCray is back. Do we have an answer, Ms. McCray?
Yes, Judge. So just for purposes of the record, I did speak with Mr. Bradley Cobb, my docket attorney and supervisor. He told me that it does not matter where the gun comes from, like state-wise. What's important is that it is registered in the defendant's name. If it's not specifically in his name, that's when there are issues.
Okay. All right. So let me recall the case. Case number 20, recalling case number 20386701, People State of Michigan versus Calden Leonard Rogers. Madam Prosecutor, just state your name for the record.
Andrea McCray.
And Mr. Shulman.
Sanford Shulman appearing on behalf of Calden Rogers, who's participating with this consent petition by way of video conference.
All right. And Mr. Rogers, just state your name for the record.
Alden Rogers.
Okay, when we were on before, the issue was Mr. Rogers purchased this gun in a different state, Minnesota, I believe. And I asked the prosecutor to find out from her office whether if we provide an investigator for the defense and they were able to show that Mr. Rogers legally had a gun purchased in his name out of Minnesota, whether that would be enough or did they require it be in Michigan. And per Madam Prosecutor, via her supervisors, Mr. Bradley Cobb and Ms. Lisa Coyle, as long as the gun is actually in his name, it doesn't matter what state it is purchased out of. Is that correct, Ms. McCray?
Yes, and I just spoke with Mr. Cobb. I didn't speak with Ms. Coyle.
Okay, Mr. Cobb. Now, this is what I'm going to say. Mr. Shulman, the court does not have a problem with importing an investigator to get some paperwork showing that Mr. Rogers purchased this gun legally in Minnesota. But I do not want you all to waste the court's time and money. And Mr. Rogers is telling us that this gun is registered in his name to find out it is not. Find out it is not. So the court will not be happy. So, Mr. Rogers, is this gun in your name? Your name, not your brother's name, not your uncle's name, not your friend's.
It is in my name only. I'm the one who purchased the gun legally.
Okay. Then that being the case, Mr. Shulman, you can provide whatever order you need to provide you. I don't know if it goes to the chief judge or us or however. And if it's us, then this court will sign it to get you an investigator so that you can show that Mr. Rogers' gun was legally purchased.
I will present that order.
Okay, and we will be back here on, we're gonna give this a little bit of time.
Yeah, I need 30 days, I would ask for.
Okay, so today is the 21st, so May 19th.
Okay. Got my homework.
Okay, and I'm going to put this down in the file, so on May 19th, I will remember. May 19th at 9 a.m. See everybody then.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. All right, have a good day. All right, Ms. McCray, we are concluded.
Okay, thank you, Judge. You and your staff have a good day.
You too. Bye-bye.